So I discovered why the shifter was all screwed up on Christine here. And it's because this is broke. So went and got me some parts out of the junkyard to fix it, as well as the radiator because that's leaking, and I found me some tires for this thing as well. New one's back in. Oh, it will be. There we go. Yeah, that's gonna be so much nicer. Second issue I was having is that the indicator was stuck down at 1, no matter what gear I was in. And if we go down here, this here is for the indicator, which is supposed to be there and goes up to that hook. So you can see anyway, the new piece, new to me, is right this. Now I'm going to be swapping out the radiator because the end tank is cracked and leaking. Do that and then probably put the factory air box in so it doesn't get, so I don't suck in a shit ton of fucking mud. And the radiator is out. Now it's time to put the new one in.